Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. Today we are talking about the best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver that can completely change the way you connect your screens. If you are tired of messy cables and complicated setups, this might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. The product we are checking out is the Bradall TR300 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. This device is designed to give you true wireless freedom when it comes to audio and video transmission. Instead of running long HDMI cables across your room, the Bradall TR300 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver sends the signal wirelessly from your source device to your display. It makes everything look cleaner and feel more modern. One of the first things you will notice is the built-in LED display. The Bradall TR300 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver comes with a clear and easy-to-read screen that shows important information like power status, signal strength, and video output. This means you can quickly check if everything is connected properly without guessing. It saves time and avoids frustration when setting up. Now let's talk about picture quality. The Bradall TR300 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports 4K decoding and 1080p high-definition output. This ensures that your videos look sharp and detailed, colors appear vivid, and motion stays smooth. Whether you are watching movies, playing games, or giving a presentation, the visual experience feels clear and lifelike. Stable connection is also very important for wireless devices. That is why the Bradall TR300 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver uses dual-band 2.4G and 5G transmission. This helps maintain a strong and reliable signal. It can work up to 30 meters, which is about 98 feet. So even if your source device is in another part of the room, you can still enjoy a steady connection without interruptions. Another great feature is its compact and lightweight design. The Bradall TR300 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is easy to carry and simple to place anywhere. It does not take up much space and it blends well into different environments. Whether you are setting it up in a home theater, classroom, or meeting room, it fits naturally without making the area look crowded. The overall design feels modern and practical. The units are small but solid, and the simple layout makes them easy to connect and operate. Everything is built to make your audio-visual setup smoother and more flexible. In short, the Bradall TR30 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers wireless freedom, a smart LED display, 4K decoding with 1080p output, dual-band 2.4G and 5G transmission, up to 30 meters range, and a compact design. All these features work together to give you a clean and reliable viewing experience without cable clutter. Ready to upgrade your setup? Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more simple and helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.